Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with the inaugural Mr. Topstep Princetontrader Pre-market Webcast for Tuesday, October the 18th. Yesterday, those of you that have followed me before and anybody that's been following what I've been saying on the site knows that the 200-day exponential moving average on the ES is a very big level for me. It was big on the way down. We talked about it elsewhere, on the way down, and we talked about it on the way up. And it has been our upside target for the last week or so as kind of a high noon moment in the market, figuring that we would get a walk up to this October 23rd European Council meeting. And, we got it yesterday. Pre-market yesterday, we got as high as 12:30.75, and that was it. They turned the lights off, and the rest of the day was a very steady move lower that a lot of people tried to fight, and as people fight it, it just kind of builds on itself. The initial area we needed to hold was the 100-day exponential moving average at 12.17. When that gave way, it dropped down to where I had my 3-day pivot in the chat room, which also coincided with the lower volatility level, right at 12.07.5. When 12.07.5 broke, we made a push down. We moved back up just over 12.07.5 to test that level, but when 12.07.5 broke the second time, it gave way to that move down below 1200, down around into the 1193 level. So what are we looking at today? As it stands, the 50-day exponential moving average for the last week or so has been tested repeatedly and has been holding on pullbacks. As I tape this, we're at 1186.5. We are dead on the 50-day exponential moving average. If that level holds, I could see some pushback as high as round number 1200, possibly even 1203. I have a very difficult time seeing anything over 1207.5 today, which was that breakdown level from yesterday. If we lose the 50, then I'm looking at support levels as follows: 1181, 1177.25, which is my 9-day pivot. The 20-day exponential moving average down at 1175. Then we have a pivot support zone, the 20 and 45-day pivots down at 1164.5. And then the two big numbers coming down, the 1143, 1144 level and 1103, 1104. And we'll fill those in as needed as we head lower. So Mike Vacchi here, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. Pleased to be here doing the webcast. We're going to mix in some charts. We're going to talk about volatility levels and how we incorporate those into our trading on the chat and some of the other trading techniques that we use here at Topstep. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.